is kind of like the message to countries that depend on humanitarian aid distributed through USAID? What is your message to those countries?
The ones that have been, the few that have been legitimate in terms of getting legitimate money will probably put it through the State Department. It'll be handled by Marco Rubio, highly respected man, Secretary of State. There's no reason for USAID, when you look at the politicians that have been in there sucking the blood out of it, when you look at
Gufunga Usaid umugambi munini cyane mu kugabanya umubare w'abatuye isi. Ururerekane rw'iminsi uko rugenda rushiraho duhamiriza ko iminsi irushaho kugenda iba mibi. Ubuzima buragorana nubwo isi ubwayo twereka ko bworoshye, ariko byose biratugarisha mu kurimbuka tutazuyaje. Ijanisha rinini ry'abatuye isi ryatangiye gutakaza ubushobozi mu kwitekerereza. Babaho bateze amaso kuri za guverinoma zabo, nazo zigatega amaso ku banyabubasha bavuzeho amategeko yo kugenza no kugeza ku bene igihugu babo. Ese turagana iyi ni BKO Engineer Bill Kugabanya. Ubuzima, ubukungu, politiki n'ibindi bitandukanye. Ikaze ku muryango mugari wa BKO. Kaze hari amakuru atandukanye dusanga hirya no hino agaruka ku mugambi munini wo kugabanya